Have you been injured in Lancaster County, whether that's a car accident, a slip and fall, or someone else's negligence? Don't handle this journey alone. Call an experienced attorney to help you. At HGSK Lawyers, we help the community of Lancaster and Lancaster counties with slip and fall matters, negligence cases, and motor vehicle accidents. We've recovered several millions of dollars for our clients. We know what it takes to handle car and truck accidents, catastrophic injuries, and wrongful death claims. Because we have an office here in Lancaster, we know the roads, the local hospitals, and the unique needs of Lancaster families. We treat you like a neighbor, not a case number. You get big firm representation and small town care. If you are injured as a result of someone else's negligence, call us for a free consultation. Let us review your situation and fight for the compensation you deserve.